Hello guys, welcome back. So here I want to teach you how to group and ungroup elements on the Canva page. So when you are designing some of the text or images that you put on the page, you may want to carry all of them along at the same time without shifting the position. So all you have to do is to group them together, then you can shift them together without mixing them up. So here, for you to do that, you have to go to more, you click on select, then you click on all the items that you want to group on, both text and images. When you are done selecting all of them, you go to group, then you click on it. Automatically all of them will now be together. So when you are moving them either up or down, all of them will be moving at the same time, and you won't be able to scatter or mix your design up. So this help especially when you want to copy to another page. So that's how you are to do it. So with this, you can also ungroup. For you to ungroup, all you have to do is to go back to that more, then just click, you are seeing ungroup here, just click on it to ungroup all of them, or go back to more. There you will also see ungroup, you just click on it and all of them will be ungroup, and each item will stay on its own. So when you are now moving any of the item or any of the elements, all of them won't be going together, they will be going on their own. So I hope you have been able to learn something on this topic. So we'll be going to the next topic, and please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel or follow my Facebook page, please try and do so. You will see a lot of my videos that you can watch and that will help you to be a pro on your designing journey. Thank you.